Hi everybody, I'm very excited because we're going to be starting with our handwriting cards, and you just need to look very carefully because we're going to be learning the capital letters as well. Today we're going to be doing A and B, so we're going to focus on A first and join some of the small letters as well because we've learned all of them. So first we have handwriting card A. Your heading needs to be writing, okay, so you write the date, and then we write the heading writing. So it's a capital W. So the capital W starts over here. Now remember your lines, this is your dot lines, or your line number 2s. Now the capital letters often start in the line number 1. So you're going to be going up, and you're going to be making 2 big monkey swings like that, and then that little lip. Then you're going to change back to your pencil to do the rest. Now you've got to connect all your letters. So it's the W, the R, I, T, I, N, G. Don't forget to dot the I's and cross the T's. Then remember you rule off. This is teacher code. You use a ruler, please. And you rule off on a line number 1 on that tail of the G. Alright, then if you want to, you can put your dots or your line 1s and 2s. So if we go back to the card, we've got a capital A, small a. Now the capital A is very similar to the small a. It just takes up a line 1 and 2. Alright, so you're going to be doing this with your pencil. Start at the line 1. And we're going to do that capital A. You go to the 2 o'clock and you come back. And it's a big one. Don't forget that stick of the apple. And then touch down, lift off. Okay, and then a small a next to it. Capital, go to the 2 o'clock, come back, make a big one. Don't forget about that stick. Touch down, lift off. Okay, you alternate capital and small until the end of your line. Then we're going to do AA, BA, then this is a V because it's got the little lip, VA, and then again AA, BA, VA. So you're alternating. All right? AA. Remember the B has the little lip, connect it like that. And then the V has the little lip as well. And then you alternate again, AA, BA, VA. Then we've got a sentence. This is nice to do, all right? Nice challenge. It says, angry alligators always ask for apples. All right, angry alligators always ask for apples. Wow. Okay, here we go. See how that S, it doesn't touch anything. Cross the T, dot the I. Now, if you think you can't fit in the whole word, rather write it on a new line because you can't just break up a word anywhere. All right, it's to do with those claps or the syllables. I think I can fit it in, so I'm going to do it always. Okay, remember the 2 monkey swings before your lip. Now this S closes up. Angry alligators always ask for apples. Don't forget full stop. All right, very important. Now the reason why I have done the whole thing with you is so that you can see how each letter connects to the next letter. It's very important in cursive to make sure that each letter, you know where the connections are. Then at the bottom you see the A pattern. Alright, so choose a beautiful color and you go for it. Don't pick it up until the end. And you go all the way, okay, to the end of your line. That would be a line 2 or a dot. And you rule off on the line number 1. Alright, so that is the A card. Then you are also going to do another card, the B card. So once again, your heading is writing. I want you to practice it. So you're going to do it again. You don't need to write the date again, just the heading. In a color for capital. Okay, and once again you rule off. Then we're going to start with a capital B. It's quite different to the small one. So you're going to have a look. You see there's a little back flip as well there. So have a look carefully. So there's your dot. Okay, you start on the line 1 and you start with a diagonal line and then you go down straight. Then you need to come back up that line and you're going to pretend you're an aeroplane and the aeroplane is going and it's going to do a trick. It's going to connect there, so it's almost looking like a P, but when you get there it goes and it does a back flip. Okay, and then it closes up. Alright, then you're going to do the small b, which you know how to do. And then alternate. Remember, step 1, step 2, back flip, step 3. And you alternate until the end. Okay, then we've got B-I. B, now what is that? That is a U because there's a touchdown lift off. Then B-E, B-O, B-A, B-L. Alright, so you just have to copy what the card says. So we've got a dot line. So the first one is B-I. Have a look how they connect. Don't forget to dot the I. B-U. B-E. Do you see how it connected there? B-O, B-A, and B-L. Okay, mine all fitted in one line. If yours doesn't, just go to the next dot line, and then you're going to start your sentence on the next one. Let's see, it says, bouncing bears buy brown bananas. Awesome. Okay, these sentences are so cool. So, let's have a look. Once again, I'm showing you how to do it so that you can see how each letter connects to the next. Very important. Okay, doesn't touch there, the S. Buy. Remember, this is the shopping buy, where your U is the trolley. Closes, full stop. Don't forget. Then the B pattern, where you're doing lots of little B's connected to each other. Okay, so I'll start you off so you can see. There's one. Then the next one connects like this. And the next. Remember, these must be as straight as possible so that if I had to fill it up with water, it wouldn't spill out. Try not to pick up the crayon until you get to the end. And remember, you should be doing your pattern with a pencil crayon, please, not a twisty. If you only have a twisty available, it's okay, but pencil crayon is better because it's not as thick as a twisty. And then you rule off on your line number 1, okay, with your ruler. So there you have it, your 2 handwriting cards, A and B. Good luck and enjoy the challenge.